guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys the test run video for this open class setup. And with my, I create the pivot AT system. And as you can see, this one, the normal pivot systems is usually using the 13 or 9mm rollers because it can make more space and make the pivot can have more room to move. But this versions that I create can using the 19mm. So let me show you how it works. So you can see the front, and you can see the other side. Okay, and also if there's the car is hitting something, or it can also soft the impact in the front, so it can be like this. Okay, and plus when the body damper is working, and you will give more angle to the front rollers, for example like this. And plus you can see the two spring at the front, and that can that's what we call the AT system. And so when the car is landing on the track but hit the wall, it can help the car slide back to the track. And also at the bottom, because I didn't do the countersunk for this hacksaw screw, so I put the piece of the from the catch box, and I cut it the one piece and just put it there as an underguard. Alright, so if you want to check this setup, I will put the link in the end of the video. And then if you're interested on this kind of pivot AT systems, you can just check the end of the video. Also there's another version 2, you can check that as well for the sliding damper. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay, check it out. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.